We are here on the island of Cozumel to explore and map a new cave system. I've been exploring and mapping caves for about 16 years now. I started diving while living in Africa. When I moved back to the States, I wanted to dive new places. That eventually led to places no one had ever been. Those dives started getting longer and longer. That eventually led to rebreathers. I wasn't happy with the rebreathers that were on the market, so that eventually led to building my own rebreathers. Kiss Rebreathers was interested in one of my patents, so I made arrangements with them to sell the patent to them, with the agreement that I would help develop new products for them. Then I eventually bought Kiss Rebreathers. Pendulum rebreathers have been around for a long time. Most were used in military applications. A pendulum rebreather usually has a single hose. You breathe in through the scrubber, it goes to the counter lung, then returns back through the scrubber and back through the same hose. One of the flaws with this is that the hose captures the last of your tidal volume and has a lot of CO2 in it, and that is the first gas you inhale. So on the Sheppard, we put two hoses going into the head so that the last of your tidal volume still stays in the hose and gets flushed in with the next breath.
We used the Kiss Sheppard rebreather to explore a cave we found had many personalities, from strands of bacteria waste suspended in a golden, tannic, milky hydrogen sulfide layer above a saltwater layer, to the vertical cheese grater restriction that allowed for no more than one tank and one side-mounted scrubber can to wiggle through. We found ourselves a couple thousand feet back, seemingly isolated from humanity, and stumbled across a huge high-pressure pipe, possibly pumping human waste deep into the porous limestone rock below that filters back up into the same passageways we swim through. We kept pushing further through more passages that at first got smaller, forcing us at times to swim through the toxic hydrogen sulfide layer. More twists and turns, more survey stations, and the cave opened up again, this time surprising us with colorful horizontal striations. Now the lower part of the tunnel was stained a golden tannic brown, leaving the upper layer of rock white. We came across another pipe, this one stained a tannic brown from its time underwater. Just when we thought we walled it out, we looked around the corner I expected to go nowhere, and it goes!
You're helping a lot, you really are.
What teenager wouldn't want a trip to Cozumel where you get to do this in front of everybody?
Hey, no one here knows me.